Foxgloves are beautiful, tall plants that can add a lot of color and texture to any garden. They produce spikes of bell-shaped flowers in a variety of colors, including pink, purple, and white. Growing foxglove from seed can be a rewarding experience, and it's not difficult to do. Step 1. Collecting seeds. The first step in growing foxglove from seed is to collect the seeds. Foxgloves are biennial plants, which means that they have a 2-year life cycle. In their first year, they produce a rosette of leaves, and in their second year, they produce flowers. To collect seeds, wait until the flowers have dried and the seed pods have turned brown. Cut off the seed pods and store them in a paper bag until you're ready to plant. Step 2. Preparing soil. Foxgloves prefer well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. If your soil is heavy, you can improve drainage by adding sand or perlite. To enrich the soil, you can add compost or well-rotted manure. Foxgloves also prefer a slightly acidic soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Step 3. Planting seeds. Sow the seeds in trays or pots filled with a good quality seed starting mix. Sprinkle the seeds on the surface of the soil and cover them with a thin layer of vermiculite or fine soil. Water gently with a spray bottle or a watering can with a fine rose. Step 4. Germination. Foxglove seeds germinate best at temperatures between 60 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the trays or pots in a bright location but avoid direct sunlight. The seeds will usually germinate within 2 to 3 weeks, but sometimes it may take up to a month. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged, and avoid letting it dry out. Step 5. Transplanting. When the seedlings have developed 2 sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into individual pots. Handle the seedlings carefully by the leaves, avoiding touching the stem. Transplant them into pots filled with potting soil, and keep them in a bright, but not too sunny location. Step 6. Growing on. As the plants grow, keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Once the plants are established, they will require less water. Fertilize them every 2 weeks with a balanced fertilizer, following the manufacturer's instructions. As the plants grow taller, you may need to stake them to prevent them from falling over in the wind. Step 7. Planting out. Once the plants have grown to about 6 inches in height, they are ready to be planted out into the garden. Choose a sunny or partially shaded location with well-drained soil. Plant them about 12 to 18 inches apart, depending on the variety. Water them well after planting and keep the soil moist until they are established.